हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू स्टॉक मार्केट डिस्कशन विद एसडी। मैं हूं एसडी शानंद दास, मल्टी एसेट ट्रेडिंग एंड इन्वेस्टमेंट स्पेशलिस्ट. In this stock market video, we are particularly going to take a look at the banking sector stocks of the Indian economy. And if you want to know more about me, you already know where to follow me is shanandodas.com. This is my website to follow or know more about myself and opportunities. So let's get to the business. This is the stock chart. हम लोग trading view का इस्तेमाल करेंगे. I have hidden the line chart, which right now I don't need, and we are going to look at the weekly chart for our analysis, which is beautiful for swing investments. And they give very good return. Not necessarily we need to wait for a long time. So I prefer weekly chart a lot. So in that regard, I first want to apply the asset master. And in Asset Master, I want to apply RSIX as well. Beautiful move up chal raha hai. AU Small Finance Bank going well. Currently, there is no entry points to enjoy or move into AU Small Finance Bank. Next, Axis Bank. I like it. Axis Bank, I'm in, but I don't expect superb run immediately. But I like the base formation above, so very likely Axis would be heading towards this 1300 area, and lower level support is around 1130, as well as support will be around 1175. So this is the first trajectory, first move of Axis. A relatively muted performance, I will say, so far we have seen from the Axis Bank. Another stock I'm in is a Bandhan Bank. I hope आप लोग मेरा सुन के या किसी का सुन के ट्रेड नहीं कर रहे हो. After the one, I take a look at up to the empty line, and then I had a beautiful break up. Very likely I'm expecting in time, not immediately, but a test out of the 200 to 210 region. So abhi bhi bola jaye 10% rally in Bandhan Bank remains very much possible, and even a further move will depend on the future breakout and probability path, but overall looking bullish still. Next, I'm looking at Bank of Baroda. Bank of Baroda is created a base, is struggling at our top resistance, जिसको बोला जाता है mountain top. It does not have our score, so it is a buy, but of a lesser strength. Lesser strength है इसमें, but ये base का जब breakout होगा, which I think is the level बोलना ठीक होगा 250 to about 265. Yes, Bank of Baroda can go for some bigger round of runs. Next, we are looking at Bank of India, which is reached an important resistance level. No entry immediately, but at breakout 126, 130 का जब एक correction से breakout होगा, that could be a good entry point for Bank of India. Then we have Canada Bank. This stock I highlighted around 96. But I also said I'm more interested in buying above the mountain top. Above the mountain top, it has gone further and given almost 10% rally. And since the buy signal, I highlighted the stock first time around 96, 97. And from there, from the buy signal, it is even bigger run. But I'm more interested in clearing above the mountain top resistance and then go for the entry. That cuts down the risk. So this is a Capital Small Finance Bank. Some changes after a big IPO drawdown. It has faced. Looking like the stock is somewhat getting ready for a further up push. So as long as stock can remain floated above 290, 293, or say rather 294, it has a good chance first to hit at 327, which will be around 8% run, 8% plus run, and finally may reach out even further towards this 400 top. But that's no immediate, that is more of a long-term plan or long-term approach of the stock. Next, I'm looking at central bank. Central bank has come to my radar, not immediately for buy. I'm interested into. I'm watching this candle which is gone full green, indicating that sell-off could be now nearing an end in the central bank. It created a double bottom, which I like. So further ये stock मेरे radar में रहेगा to for a right entry opportunity. One of the alert मैं इसमें place करना चाहूंगा is the short trend bullish alert. Then I have CSB Bank, another beautiful run, beautiful breakout के बाद CSB is going so far fantastic and likely to very likely to rise higher, testing 415, could move even higher. But those things can't be fully predicted. उसके बेसिस अगर उसने वीकनेस दिखाया तो मैं निकल जाऊंगा. So DCB Bank has been bullish. I think bullishness is coming to an end in City Union Bank, not DCB. Now we are looking at the DCB. DC में भी same. Flat line का break हुआ है, flat zones का break हुआ है यहाँ पे. Very likely यहाँ पे struggle. So it is struggling. DCB Bank could be moving into a range. काफी सारे बैंक में जो अच्छा रैली हुआ है, लाइकली दे कुड बी मूविंग टू अ रेंज. धनलक्ष्मी बैंक देखिए, काफी बैड स्कोर, नॉट येट रेडी टू गो फॉर सुपर रन. ओवरऑल बियरिशनेस खत्म हुआ है बोल सकते हैं, अभी भी बढ़िया रिस्क और सुपर रन अपॉर्चुनिटी नहीं दिख रहा है. सिमिलरली आपको यहाँ पे दिखेगा इज अनदर स्टॉक इक्विटा स्मॉल फाइनेंस बैंक. दिस कुड बी रीचिंग आउट टुवर्ड्स this 79 level. Equita Small Finance Bank, it has started creating an initial base. आगे जाके और क्लैरिटी मिलेगा how Equita Small Finance Bank could be moving. Another stock I like because of its inverted head and shoulder and rainbow buy signal के साथ, तो यहाँ पे मुझे अपॉर्चुनिटी दिखा. बट दिस स्टॉक में ज्यादा एकदम टॉप नहीं, बट दिस इज अ गुड बाउंस बैक IPO sort of. Here is the resistance, but it was still quite a solid run after the buy signal. It was a run of almost 30%, fully worth it. So what the trial? So 40 rupees के आसपास इसका resistance है. That will be my area of profit booking, partial profit booking. Federal Bank I'm in, but today I reduced my position in Federal Bank as the weakness is coming. And now Federal Bank is going for a breakout. I was in the money, but not so great entry points. मेरे हिसाब से entries मेरे अच्छे नहीं थे. So it is too speculative at this point. Risk को देख के कि attempting for the breakout was risky. So I take some money off the table, and here I have placed the next level of alert, that is price action bullish. Pino Payments Bank has started creating a bottom, could become attractive opportunities later on. Now we have the HDFC Bank, which did not suffer much despite the news on some allegation on the scandal on part of the MD, which may not be or not likely to be true. And so HDFC Bank not much bothered. Same at the 2000 level का test चल रहा है. On the other hand, ICICI Bank has been going up, but ये मेरा पसंद का स्टॉक नहीं रहा because of the zigzag. ICICI Bank जो है too much. Daily chart में clear हो जाएगा. Let me hide this chart and let me make the cash stocks less than weekly is the right one to choose for stocks daily chart में. So it is clear. देखिए कई सारे zigzags चल रहे हैं. So ICICI Bank, though it is going up, इसको मैं बोलूंगा is a stock. Let me have to change the setup to cash stocks weekly क्योंकि हम लोग weekly chart पे आ गए. So I'll say this is more of a bucking bull stock which is showing कि हमारे strength के हिसाब से भी सही नहीं है. नाउ वी आर लुकिंग एट IDBI. थोड़ा फास्ट मूव करना चालू करेंगे. IDBI इज बीन गुड वन. एक बेस बना के राइज हुआ है. फर्दर राइज लाइकली क्योंकि स्लैंटिंग जोन का ये ब्रेकआउट दिया है. अगर लाइन चार्ट भी देखेंगे तो एक अच्छा बेस बना के ब्रेकआउट. करंटली एक कंसोलिडेशन हो रहा है. उसके बाद फर्दर ब्रेकआउट मैं एक्सपेक्ट कर रहा हूं इन IDBI. नेक्स्ट IDFC, बहुत ही बढ़िया कमबैक. IDFC First Bank, I'm in this stock, but this one not as good as Bandhan or Credit Access Grameen, which is an NBFC, because it has lot of resistance to deal with. So I'll be closely watching how IDFC is behaving at these key resistance or how it is breaking my long-term trend line. Then we have Indian Bank, which has given a weekly zone का breakout. Further rise हम लोग expect कर सकते हैं in Indian Bank. But obviously stock का जो natural zigzag है उसके साथ IndusInd Bank जो battered हुआ था scandal से, ill mismanagement of money से, is finally showing some comeback, but it is too early to speculate on a comeback because we don't have a beautiful pattern or anything. So I will still remain mute on IndusInd Bank unless I start seeing a much more risk adjusted better opportunities. Jammu and Kashmir Bank rounding bottom pattern बना रहा है. Let me show you the rounding. This is the rounding bottom, one of the most successful and profitable pattern in rainbow and also in line charts and other charts. So this looks like can be a strong comeback in Jammu and Kashmir Bank. So overall banking space, halat is not bad, it's actually good. Then we have Jana Small Finance Bank, IPO stock, new strength, resistance के तरफ जा रहा है towards 565. Next we have Karur Vaisa Bank. Karur Vaisa Bank is in a range, weekly range, strength नहीं है तो range breakout के लिए मैं immediately bet नहीं करूंगा. It does not have strength, it does not have the required relative strength or RS. अब मैं देख रहा हूं कोटक. कोटक बैंक एक साइन दिया, इट मे कम बैक. इट वाज इन अ वीकली, एक इनिशियल अर्ली साइन दे रहा है बेस फॉर्मेशन का. अगर ये कंफर्म हुआ लेटर ऑन, विच नाउ विल से प्रीटी वीक, काफी वीक है कोटक का ये सिग्नल. बट इफ इट टर्न्स आउट टू बी स्ट्रॉन्ग, कोटक को सिग्निफिकेंटली हम लोग I'll expect it will gradually now be moving towards 2500. But it's tricky. Let's see how Kotak behaves. थोड़ा इसका डेली चार्ट भी अगर बाद में वो चार्ट लगा रहे हैं, यहाँ पे ये बेस जो है 2000 का ये मेंटेन्ड रहना चाहिए. इफ इट इज नॉट, वी कुड बी इन ट्रबल. सो ये जो बेस है 2094, ये उतना टूटना नहीं चाहिए. सपोर्ट है. So I will still hold on to the Kotak and see how it goes. Next we are moving to the Karnataka Bank. And Karnataka Bank not daily chart, we will be moving to the weekly chart. Yes, it has opportunity, it created double base and can break higher. Karnataka Bank can test first 233, it is sustaining above the level 200. Karnataka Bank is not unforegone but a new opportunity. And targeted area is this. अगर slanting zone से break हुआ, very likely ये जो high है इसको तोड़ के stock और आगे बढ़ सकता है. So Karnataka Bank will be in my radar. Next we have Maharashtra Bank is heading towards the resistance. रुकना expected. Punjab National Bank ये भी रेजिस्टेंस के आसपास. so it will spend some time around the resistance. we'll have to see how it is or will be breaking higher. RBL बैंक का structure has been good, बहुत ही अच्छा. squeeze के बाद breakout, it is now reaching द रेजिस्टेंस पॉइंट, तो एक बार डिलीट कर देते रेजिस्टेंस पॉइंट. नाउ इज द टाइम टू पार्शियल प्रॉफिट बुक. ये बहुत ही बढ़िया रन रहा है आईडीबीआई सॉरी आरबीएल बैंक में. ब्यूटीफुल मूव अप. नाउ थोड़ा टाइम आ गया है पार्शियल प्रॉफिट बुकिंग. स्टेट बैंक ऑफ इंडिया एसबीआई, जो banker to almost every Indian. Now it is forming base. We'll go for the breakout in this stock, not the base, but it is overall good. Overall, it has created beautiful pattern. So strength है, strength 70 score का इंतजार करेंगे और breakout पे entry planned होगा. स्टेट बैंक सॉरी साउथ इंडियन बैंक, काफी दिनों बाद stock has gone almost vertical rise. It has been consolidating since or declining since February. Now finally gathered up strength and going up. This has potential to reach even higher. South Indian Bank. Strong comeback in Suryodaya Small Finance Bank. These are the areas where it will be targeting. Very likely upcoming bigger target will be 180. Very strong performance by the banking sector stock. Tamil Nadu Marka Bank not yet ready, but this one also, just like you saw South Indian Bank, this one can also go very sharp quickly towards to test the 500. But success of breaking the 500 seems less at this point. Now we are looking at UCO Bank, which just coming back to life, and it is too early, almost bottom hunting area for UCO Bank. Last few बैंक हम लोग देखेंगे. Ujjivan Small Finance Bank, very good rise at a key resistance, profit booking partial, but likely, very likely to rise further after consolidation. Strong performance by Union Bank, very strong performance. Now consolidation करने का chance has gone up very high, very likely. उत्कर्ष स्मॉल फाइनेंस बैंक बेस बनाने की कोशिश में है. बाद में फ्यूचर में बाई सिग्नल के साथ बाइंग, शार्प बाइंग आ सकता है, बट द स्टॉक इज नॉट येट रेडी टू बी केप्ट इन द रेडार फॉर फ्यूचर विथ राइट सिग्नल लाइक रेनबो बाय. Last stock that we are looking at the banking sector is the Yes Bank. After solid move, reach this flat line, is giving the correction. करेक्शन के बाद फिर से मैं देखूंगा बाई कहां आ रहा है. विद दिस अलर्ट, प्राइस एक्शन बुलिश, मतलब फुल ग्रीन कैंडल. करंटली कैंडल इज थोड़ा रेड थोड़ा ग्रीन, full green candle alert. So alert के साथ preparation. Stocks have been good in the banking sector. Some are still opportunities, some are at profit booking level and likely going for the consolidation. So as a sector, mixed bag. All the best to you. I hope this discussion, short discussion on banking sector was helpful to you. अगर help हुआ, don't forget to put a thumbs up. All the best from my side, and as always, happy trading.